Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to join an existing business organization on Uber, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should click on the Business Hub section. Tap on turn on, click on join an existing organization. Here you can tap on join now, or I have a pin code. If you tap on join now, you should type in your business email address, or you can also type in the company's pin code into this box, then click on next, and you can use Uber for Business. And basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.